So today I'm not going to talk about my investment results of last week. It's not really that different from the week before. There's some increase and there's some up and down along the way, but overall it's going up a little bit. I'm actually going to talk about this news that I read about from MSNBC about White House is considering a tax incentive for people to buy stocks. This is interesting because based on the headline, it's saying it's encouraging people to invest in the stock market, and the portion of income would become tax-free for investment purpose. So that gets me thinking, because it's something new. It's not really new, but it's similar to what you have in Roth IRA when you invest and you don't pay tax for your gain. But what's the difference of this new proposal? What does that do? So I read a little bit more into this article, and it seems like it's just something. It's just a proposal that's gonna be something outside the traditional 401k, and it has it gave a hypothetical scenario that with this number that just seems to be coming out of the thin air, that people can invest $10,000 on a tax-free basis. But the source also said it's nothing's ruled out and nothing has been ruled in either. And it sounds like the money will be put into account on an after-tax basis and taxed when withdrawn as well. So this is really confusing because for Roth IRA, it's an after-tax basis, and then when you withdraw, there's no tax. And for 401k, it's before tax. You don't pay any tax when you put it in there, but when you withdraw, you're going to pay tax. This one seems to be taxed before and after. The only exception is the accumulation you got through this account is going to be tax free. So that's the part I'm not really sure will work as well as either 401k or Roth IRA or Roth 401k, because you seems to be taxed before and after, and I don't know how good that would be in terms of incentive, because you don't really provide that much of an incentive if you are taxing them anyway. So it looks like they haven't really thought it through. The main reason for that is they're seeing a drop of people investing in the market, and in the election year, they want to get re-election, and they want to have more people putting money into the market to prop up the stock market, and to make the number look good, and help them get re-elected, because the stock market has been doing so well. That has been a selling point for the current administration. So I can understand they want to do that to going into the November election. But how good that will be, we still not sure about. And so far, there's nothing firm. And even if it does get worked on, we probably won't know until the next election. I mean, the next uh, administration took the office. Even it could be the same one, could still be the Trump administration, but as a new rule, new law, it's still going to take some time to take effect. And also because it's going to be approved by Congress first, which is Democratic majority. So the chance of this thing passing is really slim, at least at this point. Okay, that's it for this week, and hopefully you will come back next week, see what I have to say. One thing I want to share is after doing this video journal, I think I do become more disciplined in terms of paying more attention to investment, and also paying more attention to related news, and then in terms of budgeting my money, and have some more control over what to spend, what not to, like. So I think it's been good overall. So I'll keep doing this. Like I said, I'm gonna do this for a year. As I'm going forward, I'm probably gonna report less on my investment result, because it's not gonna be that much of a difference every week. I'll probably do it every month or so. And in the meantime, I will include some of the things I learned and lesson learned, and or news that I find interesting, and that may have some impact on in my future investment decision. So that'll be all for today, and we'll do this again next week. Bye.